How many times have you had an empty spot on a truck that could be generating revenue? Maximize your fleet's capacity by posting and filling open spots directly on cargo. Click the icon in the upper left corner to expand the menu and select Open Spots. Click Post a Spot to get started. Enter your origin and destination. Optionally, select a truck and click Next. Provide the number of spots, trailer type, and pickup window. Choose your pricing strategy and enter your asking price. Add any optional notes and click Post to make your spot live and visible to shippers. Shippers can even message you directly to chat before making a request. When a request comes in, you'll receive a notification right on your screen. Review their offer and choose to accept, counter, or decline it. Once you accept, an order and an ordered chat are automatically created, turning that empty space into revenue, and you're done.